How to change hair color using FaceApp. Thinking of a bold new look? Here's how to change your hair color using FaceApp instantly and effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open FaceApp on your iPhone device. Now, choose a clear photo from your gallery. Once you choose a clear photo from your gallery, scroll to the bottom toolbar and tap on hair colors. Right here, tap on it. You will see a variety of shades from natural tones like blonde and black to vibrant options like you can see brown, colored, red and all. Tap any color to preview it instantly on your photo like this. Let me choose blonde. Just like this, your hair color is changed to blonde. Let us change to black. Some versions allow you to adjust intensity like this. You can adjust its intensity. Which one suits better? This one suits better. Okay, let me choose this one. Now once you are satisfied, tap apply and tap save to download your new look like this. And your photo is now saved to your gallery. And that's it. You have just discovered a fun and easy way to explore the new hair colors. No salon visit needed. If you love this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and comment your dream hair color below.